agawan ni Concepcion. Escamis from straight away. Nothing there. Big Bo, dito sa laban natin, we cannot judge the start of the game. Kasi kung sa una ng dalawang laban nila as Liwag scores the opening basket here. Pero iba rin yung team nila at kumpiyansa going into the finals.
Oo naman, yun nga. Most of these guys are first-timers sa finals.
And speaking of first-timers,
ito pa, isa pang first-timer dito sa finals natin, itong si Jumel Ancheta. Actually ako, on my view, very crucial ang lalaroin itong Mangubat tsaka itong si Ancheta. Kung paano nila itimon itong grupo nila.
Trisovilla, the mid-range jumper, not really his strength. Here's Ancheta. Ancheta has it. Mark Sanko sidesteps, flips it up and in. Mark Sanko scores and Danild cuts the lead to 3.
Wala nang kailangang warm-up dito kay JC Recto. Pagpasok, matik na.
Alan Liwag ay hirapan dito. Ito mga double team na binabato sa kanya ng Mapua. Gumagana so far. Ancheta! Difficult shot is good for Ancheta.
Kung kanina nagawa ni Escamis yung one-on-one offense niya. Ito naman si Ancheta. Kung kaya mo, kaya ko rin yan.
Jomel Ancheta showing us the confidence here in his first finals appearance. Ito si Abonete. Pick and roll. Oh, what a pass. Recto inside. Good unselfishness shown by the Cardinals.
Ganda. They just ran a simple ball screen between Abonete at itong si Escamis. Nag-show yung tao. Ito yung one-on-one kanina ni Ancheta. Maganda na yung depensa ni Mangubat pero mas maganda yung offense mo Ancheta.
Pareho yung play na yun, ha? Maganda yung bantay sa kanya.
And yung dalawang yun, nako-convert nila sa 4 and 5 position eh. Kaya kahit na si Igliani nasa labas, pwede mo pagsabayin yung dalawang yun eh. Tapos bumalik pa itong si Recto. Kaya medyo bumaba talaga.
Ayun na naman. Ancheta carrying Danild on his back. Torres over to Eusebio. We have about a 6-second difference between the shot and the game clock. Only for 3. And only knocks it down.
Kailangan din na posible namang hindi mag-adjust itong Binil tsaka si Coach Charles, di ba? So
22 points now for Clint, and it is a 12-point lead for Mapua. Deep reverse for Gabi Cometa. 5 points already. We gotta see that play again. He switched hands.
Sa ibabaw na eh.
Diba? Liwag. Binigay kay Inot. 8 to shoot for Tony.
Talagang tina-challenge nila si Inot tumira sa labas.
Mark Sanko.
Napaganda pa yung tapik na yun.
Finishing with his offhand. Was grabbed by Concepcion. Recto. No-look pass. Risky pass. Diretso kay Liwag yun. Sanko is still on the other side, tying his shoe. Ancheta is gonna be doubled. Liwag!
Ganda nung
easiest. Look.
Yun na yung pinaka-easy na basket nito ni Ali.
Ito na si Clint Escamis.
Siyempre, the usual. It will be Escamis pagdating sa dulo.
Final shot time for Mapua. Clint sidestep. The feed to Hobilla. No! 2 blocks by Aaron Liwag to end the first half.
Ganda na sana nung dish off nito ni Clint Escamis. Kaya lang
and he has been cold ever since that fast start in the first half. Sanko, yes!
Ayun naman.
And Danild is within 1. Here come the Blazers.
Kanyang 5 points. 2 out of 10. Ito naman si Tony Inot sa corner.
Open fire. It's good for Tony Inot.
Dino-double eh. May malilibre. Hindi pwedeng wala.
Cyrus Cuenco misses the lefty lay. On Eusebio, got the hop, counted, and the foul for Anton Eusebio. First 2 points for Eusebio in the finals. Look at his move. Blowing by Hobiliak on his way to the cup, and that amazing play from Antonio Eusebio is definitely our McDonald's play of the game, brought to you by the new and better McCafe Iced Coffee Boulder Brew Creamier Blend. McDonald's, love ko to.
And wala pa si Clint Escami sa loob dyan, ha?
That's right, that's right. Sabi ni Flo kanina, it's the other guys dealing the damage for Mapua.
Yun.
Much needed fire extinguisher provided by Cometa. Jomel Ancheta. Allen Liwag inside. And Liwag scores +1. So Liwag now has 12 points and he gets a bonus.
Yun yung sobrang dalang na makakuha ng malinaw na maliwanag na tira itong si Allen Liwag. Galing from high-low, galing dito kay Mark Sanko.
That amazing play from Allen Liwag is definitely our McDonald's play of the game, brought to you by the new and better McCafe Iced Coffee Boulder Brew Creamier Blend. McDonald's, love ko to. Talking about the Blazers, they need more of that.
Nais ni Escamis. Ang bilis eh.
30 points for Clint Escamis. Ano yung gift nito ni Clint?
Uy!
Sanko draining the triple. Big time hit mula sa captain ng Benilde.
Actually, alive dito sa game 1 natin.
Let's see if Benilde has one final push in them. Justin Sanchez off the bump. He scores the deuce.
Quick cliff notes dito. First 6 minutes of the game, Mapua started getting a handle on the game. And somebody who wants to forget that game 1 performance is Tony Inot. Why not? Bakit ka naman hindi? Unang ball, 3 points agad for Tony.
Tony Inot, 1 for 5 from beyond the arc in game number 1. Played 28 minutes but only managed 7 points for the Blazers. He averages 10.4 points per outing. He definitely has to come up bigger this time around, and this is a good sign.
Yep, running that floppy screen action, single double on one side.
Question is, can they bring the Heat, force a Game 3 and keep their dream alive? Or what do you think, Anton and Coach Hammer?
They have been here before, 2 seasons ago against Netran. Will Gozum and company stepped up big time to force a deciding game number 3 against the eventual champion, Netran Knights. As we see this champ moment of the game, brought to you by Milo. Get winning energy every day with Milo. And there he is, the MVP, Allen Liwag. And there is fire in the eyes today of Tony Inot.
Oh yeah, pag wala sa kanya yung bola, mahilig rumash boards.
Sanko gets it down low to Sanchez.
Oh, they like this matchup.
Sanchez gives it to Liwag. Liwag, power move.
Masyadong manipis yung depensa sa loob. Pagka si Allen Liwag, he gets it. Those been lights out the whole season. Focal point on offense, silang dalawa ni Clint Escamis have been very solid. And now trying to go for that kill dito sa game number 2.
Cuenco averaging 11.5 points per contest for the Cardinals. This is Jomel Ancheta.
Doon sa mga atake niya, pero diin lang ng diin. And this team really revolves around him. And the more that he engages the defense, the better it is for his teammates.
Meanwhile, a 3 by Justin Sanchez. Binigay dito kay Cometa. Cometa to Inot. Thought about the 3. Inot drives. Inot. Wow! What a reverse by Tony Inot. Now it's Sanko defending Clint, the 4th defender. Escamis for 3. No, Ondoa with the board. Torres using his speed. Torres to Ondoa. Magkakilala yung dalawang yan.
Kinikage lang nila, kinukuha lang nila yung binibigay ng depensa. Medium range jumper, sabay didiin sila ng didiin sa depensa. Di baling mapagod sila dito.
Sanchez gives Benilde a much needed basket. Cuenco to Recto, nabitawan ng bola. Ancheta to Inot. Inot for 3, a lot of space. A 5-0 run for Benilde.
And that's what they need.
Inot. Liwag wants it. He gets it in the post. Liwag. Binigay dito kay Sanchez. Ollie mula sa kanto. Matthew Ollie. Big time basket. So we have people watching from the Middle East and North America as Torres grabs his own miss and scores on the floater.
And this is what they need to do. They need to be a little bit more aggressive because they're fighting for their championship hopes.
Ian Torres scored 2 points in 12 minutes of action in game number 1. Escamis short on that jumper. Sanchez with a board.
Tingnan natin kung si Ian Torres na may sagot dito as the main facilitator.
Oh, Sanchez with a blow-by.
Good move. Quick cross by Justin Sanchez. Quick 4-0 run. Napatawag ng timeout.
We are not gonna win if you keep on throwing the ball away. These were words from Coach Charles Chu upon entering the dugout. Ani ni Coach Charles ay simple lang naman ang hinihingi niya sa kanyang kupunan at ayan ay huwag nang ipasa pa ang bola sa kalaban. Coach Charles also emphasized that they actually shot a higher percentage from the field. Talaga lang kulang sila sa defense.
And here is that amazing play from Tony Enot. That's definitely our McDonald's play of the game, brought to you by the new and better McCafe Iced Coffee. Bolder brew, creamier blend, McDonald's, love ko to.
The win din si Tony.
Torres. Inside pass to Liwag. Liwag with the basket.
Di ka na
Humihingi
pwede
pa ng foul.
Di ka na pwede humingi ng foul ngayon. Masahe na yan kung masahe. Di ka na pwede umiyak yan, pre, pag nasa ilalim ka. Which he has been doing the whole season. Kailangan buhatin na niya ng buhatin yung mga bantay. Pero, kung ikaw naman yung binil, nakikita mo, tiki-tack foul, tatawagan sa nagbababa ng bola, meron ka rin talagang point to contest yung contact. Ito, screen and roll action. Sinasabi ni Allen Liwag na yung mga hampas sa braso, pero ito, clearly, good challenge.
Ian Torres started this period, has not been pulled back yet to the bench. Sanko on the drive. Sanko with the finish.
Going to a strong side. Yes, that's the left side to si Mark Sanko.
Ollie, 3 for 3. Short. Ollie, bumitin sa ere.
Good move on the double clutch si Matthew Ollie, but more concerning is Clint Escamis.
A 13-point lead for the Cardinals. Sanchez in the paint. 19 points in the game to lead all scorers. Enot with a finger roll.
Now you need to play defense. You need to stop.
The stuff that does not show up in the stat sheet. Enot with a finish.
Trabaho niya kasi halos walang palitan. Buong laro, underrated, unsung hero for the Papua Cardinals na si Andre Egliani.
And did you think, Coach Hammer, that he would